Hello! In today's video, Anna goes to the market to buy fresh fruits, vegetables, and delicious homemade jam. This simple story will help you practice English with natural conversations and useful vocabulary. The highlighted dialogues are also in the video description, so you can write them down and study them. It is Saturday morning. The sun is shining, and the sky is blue. Birds sing in the trees. Anna wakes up early because she wants to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. She takes her shopping bag and walks to the market. The market is big and busy. There are many stands with colorful fruits, green vegetables, and homemade food. People walk around, talking and smiling. The air smells like fresh bread, ripe fruit, and flowers. Anna stops at a fruit stand. The seller is an old man with a kind smile. "Good morning. What do you want to buy?" he asks. "Good morning. Your fruits look very fresh," Anna says. "Do you have apples?" "Yes, I have red apples and green apples," the seller says. "The red apples are sweet, and the green apples are a little sour." "I like sweet apples." "How much are they?" Anna asks. "They are 60 cents per pound," the seller says. "I will take 2 pounds, please," Anna says. The seller puts the apples in a brown paper bag. Anna gives him the money. "Thank you. Have a nice day," she says. "You too," the seller says. Anna walks to a vegetable stand. She sees red tomatoes, orange carrots, and fresh green lettuce. The vegetables are clean and look delicious. "Good morning. Are the tomatoes fresh?" Anna asks. "Yes, they are very fresh. They come from the farm this morning," the seller says. "That is good. How much are they?" Anna asks. "They are 80 cents per pound," the seller says. "I will take 4 pounds, please," Anna says. The seller puts the tomatoes in a bag. "Do you need carrots?" "They are very good today," he says. "Yes, I need carrots." "How much are they?" Anna asks. "They are $1 per pound," the seller says. "They are a little expensive," Anna says. "Yes, but they are very fresh and sweet," the seller says. "Okay, I will take 2 pounds," Anna says. Anna pays for the vegetables and puts them in her bag. She looks around and sees a small wooden stand with jars of jam and honey. A woman with a friendly face stands behind it. "Good morning. What do you have here?" Anna asks. "Good morning. I have homemade jam and honey. Everything is made on my family's farm," the woman says. "That sounds delicious. What flavors do you have?" Anna asks. "I have strawberry jam, peach jam, and blueberry jam. I also have fresh honey from our bees," the woman says. "I love strawberry jam. How much is it?" Anna asks. "It is $4 per jar," the woman says. "And the honey?" Anna asks. "The honey is $6 per jar," the woman says. "I will take 1 jar of strawberry jam and 1 jar of honey," Anna says. The woman wraps the jars in paper and puts them in a small bag. Here you go. Thank you for your purchase, the woman says. Thank you. Everything looks wonderful, Anna says. Anna feels happy. Her bag is full of fresh apples, tomatoes, carrots, and sweet homemade jam and honey. The sun is warm, and the market is full of life. Now she will go home and make a delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.